Hey guys, Ken here. We're currently here at World Trade Center for this year's NAFBEX. So let's go inside. We're back. Now let's go inside. Okay, so now we're here. Let's explore. Hi, hello, hello, hi, hi, hello.
It utilizes the power very efficiently. So, kasi ito, for example, we are running it at 220 degrees Celsius.
Oh, so you have a food court. Yeah. So far, we're just 1/4 complete with our tour here. Yeah, you can see a lot of food-related products here, food products, and then dining products, kitchenware. There's a lot of them here. So yeah, let's explore more. Yeah, that's a common joke, so refer my corniness. So here we are having so the booth of one of the best my houses in the Philippines, my house. Sige, okay, milk tea daw po.
Milk tea, nanalo ka na Wintermelon.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Sige, try milk tea namin. Meron kami Nutella.
We're actually, I think we're halfway done. I'm not sure. Oh, they also have the Bingure booth. Somic, and then Yonsei University Dairy. Oh, they're all in one. Oh yeah, so we're almost at the end of the expo, so it's almost 6:30, so I think I have to go now. So yeah, there were lots of beautiful booths, there were lots of enjoyable booths. Almost 6:30. Okay, so yeah, this has been KM for the NAFBEX 2025 Expo, and see you guys next time. Bye!